In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Naraka Bladepoint on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The best ways to play Naraka Bladepoint on PC are either through Steam or Epic Games. Both of them will work and you will be able to play with your friends regardless of which platform you choose. You just have to pick according to personal preference. If you are doing this process on Steam, open up the store page and look for Naraka Bladepoint. Like Epic Games, it is free to play and you will be able to add it to your library. Like I said, it is just personal preference, and if you want to get it on the Epic Games store, you can as well. Look for Naraka and it should be the first option to pop up. Both of them are free to play. You can scroll down to see more information about the game and see if you meet the minimum requirements to run the game on your PC. As long as everything looks okay and you are satisfied, you will be able to download the game instantly and start playing. You can invite your friends, play together, even cross-platform between Steam and Epic. Just make sure to choose whichever store page you prefer to have your games in and access your library after you acquire the game for free. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Naraka Bladepoint on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.